The global market size of digital marketing for 2022 is estimated at $65.33 billion, from $56.52 billion in 2021. GaryVee, the world's leading digital marketer, is worth over $200 million, starting as a YouTube wine blogger from his father's wine retail store. The opportunities online today are more than they were in 2006 for GaryVee. Thus, for today's video, we will tell you how to make money from digital marketing as a beginner. Digital Marketing Explained 2022. Digital marketing utilizes the internet and online marketing tools to sell products and services to potential customers. There are many free digital marketing training programs available online. However, one can make money from digital marketing on one's own. To begin, you will have to measure your strengths against the key forms of digital marketing. These include search engine optimization, content marketing, network marketing, pay-per-click, email marketing, phone marketing, affiliate marketing, etc. When you decide which one you can perfect by yourself, find the digital marketing books and blogs that align with that concept. Podcasts and webinars available for beginners can also be helpful.
Do you like podcasts?
These resources might help you analyze your data properly and tailor ads to specific audiences in real time. We will highlight the current dominant best practices in analytics shortly. Once you have learned the basics, you can start practicing with your own blog. Alternatively, you can apply for an internship that will help you properly prioritize your area of digital marketing. Eventually, you can make money while specializing in affiliate marketing, Google Ads, blogging, YouTube marketing, social media marketing, lead generation, website development, and digital marketing consulting. There are many other options available for beginners with the right self-taught skills. Now that we have digital marketing explained, here are some key areas that are making waves in the industry and enriching beginners like yourself, regardless of their specific digital marketing expertise. Primarily, analytics is the backbone of marketing. Understanding the consumer based on their interaction with your product is key to effective marketing strategies. At first, marketers publish content and wait for a while to determine the general interactions applied. However, in recent times, Digital Marketing Tutorial for Beginners has introduced real-time analytics to shake things up. Therefore, as the people scroll past your post, you will be able to determine if they liked it enough to spend time reading it, or if they did not spend over a second engaging with it. Again, did the individual like, leave a comment, share, or close and move on after reading or watching? That analysis can help you curate content that appeals to individuals instead of blanket content for everyone. The elimination of unwanted content is why SEO is efficient, and so is artificial intelligence and automating ads peculiar to consumer tastes. We will soon tell you how 72% of online marketing hits the mark. Moreover, the trend of celebrities endorsing products is slowing down. To make money as a new digital marketer, you will need the collaboration of social media influencers. The fans can relate to them more and trust their relevance to drive the correct products. Further, video content is taking over. As someone starting a digital marketing career, capitalize on short reels and videos across video sharing platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. Dance challenges are terrible, but they make some of the worst songs sound good so that you can try those too. Nobody mentioned Justin Bieber or Lizzo, please.
No TikTok dances!
Of course, long videos like what we present to you work too. You are still watching because you desperately need the information we are providing. If you went on IG to view your favorite celebrity's new vacation photos, you might not be particularly eager to read a caption under a sponsored photo. Nevertheless, a quick video with the right aesthetics may catch your attention. Similarly, put yourself in the shoes of the 74% of consumers who watch online videos and could become customers with a little video interlude. Perhaps, SEO is one most essential tools for all digital marketers. The internet architecture works so that interests and relating information come together. Therefore, relevant keywords increase the scope of digital marketing. The descriptions, alt text images, and videos with keywords make potential customer searches easier. Again, artificial intelligence enables companies better utilize data to target the right audiences. Roughly 72% of online marketing is programmatic advertising, where automated ads are targeted to specific audiences based on their history with the topic. We know that you have a specific history with this topic, and we have more in store for you, so kindly hit subscribe. Augmented and virtual reality are also improving customer satisfaction by being relatable. The customers receive exciting virtual features that make them feel like they are a part of the company. Volkswagen says that its virtual reality experience saves time and logistics. The automaker uses gaming VR simulation to develop safety points. Since November 2019, Starbucks has shared holiday cheers with exciting Instagram filters. However, Shanghai Starbucks 2017 created an app for its visitors to enjoy an experience when they walk into any of the coffee shops in the city. The mobile app scans the menu, places orders, and notifies one when the order is ready for pickup. This means that there is no need to queue in the shops. Suppose you like to see the barista's process. The app can show you with fun animations and filters. Knowing how to maneuver these points will put your head and shoulder above others in the digital marketing game. If you are focusing on social media marketing, there are some tools for you to make active money once you achieve the right audience. Our previous video enlisted 5 best social media influencers' marketing strategies to make money fast 2022.